Can I clean my propane regulator myself, or do I need a professional?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an important topic, cleaning your propane regulator. It might seem daunting, but don't worry, we're here to guide you. Can you clean a propane regulator yourself? Or do you need a professional? Let's find out.
What is a propane regulator?
A propane regulator is a crucial component of your propane system. Its job is to control the flow of gas and ensure it's delivered at the appropriate pressure. Over time, it can get dirty or clogged, affecting its performance. Regular maintenance, including cleaning, is essential for its longevity and your safety.
Can I clean a propane regulator myself?
Yes, you can clean a propane regulator yourself. It is a relatively simple process, but safety is of paramount importance. If you're comfortable with doing it and follow the proper steps, you should be able to clean the regulator. However, remember to always refer to your manufacturer's guidelines before attempting any maintenance tasks.
Steps to clean a propane regulator.
Here are the basic steps. 1. Turn off the propane tank. Always start by turning off the propane supply to ensure safety. 2. Detach the regulator. Carefully remove the regulator from the propane tank. 3. Clean the regulator. Use a clean cloth to wipe the exterior of the regulator. For the interior, use a can of compressed air to blow out any debris. 4. Inspect for damage. Check the regulator for any signs of wear or damage. If you see anything concerning, it's best to replace it. 5. Reattach the regulator. Securely reattach the regulator to the propane tank. 6. Test the connection. Turn on the propane tank and check for leaks. Remember, if at any point you're unsure or uncomfortable, stop and call a professional.
When to hire a professional?
While it's okay to clean a propane regulator yourself, there are situations where you should definitely seek professional help. If your regulator is damaged, malfunctioning, or if you smell gas even after cleaning, don't attempt to fix it yourself. Professionals have the right tools and knowledge to handle these situations safely. In conclusion, cleaning a propane regulator can be a DIY task, but it's crucial to remember safety guidelines and know when to call in a professional. Regular maintenance and cleaning will help keep your regulator and overall propane system functioning efficiently. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, when in doubt, always seek professional help. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.